Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make text wrap circle in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open Excel document, then go to the insert menu. Select the text box, then draw a text box. Now I am write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, and home menu, go to increase the font size. You can applying the bold effect. Now I am select the text box and go to the shape format menu, choose the shape fill, make no fill, and choose the outline, make no outline. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then select the text effect drop down menu and go to the transform. Now we want to make the text wrap circle, select this circle option. Now I am select this, then resize the text, then click outside. Now we can see we make the text wrap circle in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.